So today we're going to take a hike up to Marymere Falls, which is in the Olympic National Forest. Marymere Falls is located in western Washington in Olympic National Park, west of Port Angeles. The trailhead is at the Storm King Ranger Station on the shore of Lake Crescent, just off US 101. About 90% of it is really easy. It's a paved trail, it's not very steep, but the last 10% is kind of steep and there's some steps there, but it's worth it when you get there. The Olympic rainforest is a temperate rainforest, so there's a diversity of plant species, and moss covers everything. There are two bridges that cross Falls Creek. The first is roomy. The second is just a plank with handrails. As you approach the falls, you'll feel the cool breeze that it gives off.